In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your WordPress homepage with ease. Whether you're setting up a new website or simply looking to refresh your current one, choosing the right homepage is essential for making a great first impression. Let's dive into the process of configuring your homepage on WordPress.com to ensure that your visitors see exactly what you want them to when they land on your site. First, we'll start by heading over to WordPress.com. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Enter your username or email, followed by your password, and click Login. If you're new or don't have a site yet, you might need to create an account first. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your WordPress site. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the menu. You'll want to click on Settings. Doing so will expand a submenu that gives you a variety of options to explore and configure different aspects of your site. Now, let's move on to the Reading section. In the Settings submenu, find and click on Reading. This is where you can manage the reading settings of your blog, including what people see first when they visit your website. The current homepage setup is often the latest posts, which is typical for a blog. But if you're going for a more traditional website appearance, you'll want a static page as your homepage instead. Here's where you make that crucial change. In the Reading Settings section, look for the option that says Your Homepage Displays. By default, this might be set to Your Latest Posts. Go ahead and switch this selection to a static page. Once you've selected a static page, you'll notice that you can now choose which specific page you'd like to act as your home page. This is an excellent opportunity to highlight a page that's central to your site's message or goals. Click on the drop-down menu titled Home Page, where you can browse through and choose from the available pages you've created on your site. If you haven't yet crafted the page you'd like to set, you may want to exit briefly and design a new page to suit your needs. After selecting the desired page from the drop-down list, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes to make it official. Voila! You've successfully set your WordPress home page. Now, whenever visitors access your website, they'll be greeted by the page you've carefully chosen to represent you or your brand. Feel free to check your site by opening it in a new tab or window to ensure everything looks just as you've envisioned. If you need any adjustments, revisiting these settings is a breeze. That's all there is to it. Setting your home page can truly transform your site's look and feel without a hitch. Thanks for following along and happy site managing.